Hello, welcome to PHPRad Front-End Development. In this course, you are going to learn the basics of PHPRad. But first thing first, I want you to sit back and check all these things. Number one thing you are going to check is if you have a local server installed on your personal computer. I mean, in your computer or a laptop. Again, I want you to check if you have downloaded or you have installed PHPRad Studio or PHPRad Framework on your computer as well, because these are the two things we'll be needing for this tutorial. But in case you don't have any of these things mentioned above, you don't need to worry yourself so much. Just go down the description below. I've attached some links there. This link will take you to a video where you will learn how to install local server and have them running on your computer. Then the second link will be, it would lead you to the PHPRad website where you be able to download PHPRad or PHPRad Studio. Now we are going to be using PHPRad Classic. During the downloading process, you may have two options or multiple options, which may include PHPRad Classic, PHPRad View, PyRad, and Node-RAD, a lot of them. But for this tutorial, we are going to make use of PHPRad Classic. So I would prefer if you will download PHPRad Classic, because this tutorial will be based on PHP itself without using any JavaScript compiler like Vue or Node. No, we are just going to be focused on PHPRad. So once again, I want to welcome you to PHPRad Basics. Or maybe I didn't say it well. I want to welcome you to the basic tutorial of PHPRad. Having said that, I'll catch you in the next video tutorial.